What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be discussing about how to build wealth in 2023. If you want to achieve financial freedom and security, it's essential to understand the principles and strategies for building wealth. Let's get started. Part 1. Creating multiple streams of income. The first step to building wealth is to create multiple streams of income. You should not rely solely on one source of income, whether that's a salary or a business. And here are some ways to create multiple streams of income. Start a side hustle or freelance work, invest in dividend stocks or real estate, create and sell digital products or services, monetize your hobby or passion. Part 2, starting a business. Starting a business is one of the most effective ways to build wealth. However, it requires hard work, dedication, and risk-taking. Here are some tips for starting a successful business. Identify a problem or need in the market and create a solution. Develop a clear business plan and strategy. Build a strong team and network. Focus on delivering value to your customers. Part 3, investing in real estate. So investing in real estate is another effective way to build wealth over the long term. And here are some tips for investing in real estate. Start small with a single rental property or a house flip. Research and analyze the local real estate market. Build relationships with real estate agents, contractors, and property managers. Focus on cash flow, appreciation, and tax benefits. Part 4. Building a diversified portfolio. To manage risk and maximize returns, it's important to build a diversified portfolio of investments. Here are some tips for building a diversified portfolio. Invest in a mix of stocks, bonds, and real estate. Use low-cost index funds or ETFs to track the market. Consider adding alternative investments such as commodities or cryptocurrencies. Rebalance your portfolio periodically to maintain your desired asset allocation. Building wealth requires patience, persistence, and discipline. It's not a quick fix or a get-rich-quick scheme. However, by following these tips and strategies, you can set yourself up for long-term financial success and security. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips and advice. And you'll be seeing a lot more videos about financial advice and also about productivity and Notion templates. Thank you all, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode.